body says, my heart, my body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body so crazy. I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I'm checking with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed in my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says,
Hi guys, it's much later. I am ready to like wind down. Is that what you guys call it? Like I'm off screens, so I want to start reading her. This is the first read. I haven't read this month because of like the exams that I had and just open reports and this and that. Now it's like summer. I mean, I do have like so much I have to do, but it's like in the lab. I have to read things, but I just want to associate my home with things that I like: vlogging, watching TV. Like I can do everything that's related to school at the library, at school, in the office, in the lab, so that I can sort of separate places. Because yeah, I'm just gonna read this book. I'm excited to actually start it. Also guys, so random, I'm so grateful to live here. Like I love the lighting in my apartment. I feel like for me, what carries me, and I feel, how can I explain this? I feel like gratitude is a big part of my life, and there's certain things that God has blessed me with. I think it's because of how like I see the little things in the little things, like the little things that are so little but yet not so little. Yeah, I just forgot how like I like my apartment. I love living here. It's so me. It's so I'm grateful. Can we get it together? Get it together. I'm so sleepy. Good morning. It is. Can we get it together? Get it together. I really want to stay. I really want to know. I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I'm still checking with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says,
guys, it's much later. I hope my camera doesn't die. It is lunchtime. I'm just gonna finish up with what I am doing here.
Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do it so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. In my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my body says, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I know, I know, you gotta talk alright. I know you ain't gotta talk alright. Baby, I just wanna talk to you. Talk to you. Know what it is, know what it is, know what it is.
I really wanna go where we need to go. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go where we really need to go. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go where we really need to go. Can we get it together? Get it together.
I'm really trying to film a video. Hi guys, welcome to another day. But I can't find, I think here is fine, but I think I don't know, maybe I should move closer to the lights. What is this? Okay, front. So I don't want the doors to show. I think this is what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna shoot from here, but I don't know if I should be a little lower, and there's currently construction going on, but I think I can just articulate and speak quickly, remove things off my bed because they're gonna irritate me. And also this on the top, I think we can do this. In the same breath, I want to be like the focus. I think this is gonna work. I just have to, let me review this and then. It's definitely a sundown, so what I'm gonna do is tidy up my apartment. Guys, the light, I don't know where the light is, but what I'm saying is I'm gonna tidy up my apartment, and yeah.
Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do it so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby,
Yeah.
Okay. It was nice.
Yeah, it looked nice, right? The pictures look really nice. I'll send for you.
I can see the picture.
Yeah, I'll send for you,
She
mommy.
sent to me more pictures.
Yeah, I'll send for you so that you can see. She looks so beautiful. She looks really beautiful.
Yeah.
And she's
Yeah, I
really
can see
beautiful,
now.
right?
I want my.
She looks nice. So, I was just checking on you, mommy. I was checking on you. Nancy, let me check on this lady. Let me check on mother.
This lady is looking okay today.
Get well soon, dear. I hope you feel better soon. Guys, it's raining. We don't get to experience rain a lot in China. And there's that breeze. You know how the rain is in Africa? Ugh, like I just opened the window Sana because I just want to get that breeze manana. Oh, what a beautiful day. And what a beautiful view. So grateful.
Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check it.